Good morning, guten Morgen, hallo, hola. Estamos aquí para hacer un show para los niños. We're going to make a chocolate cake in the blender for kids. We're going to make a special cake. Of course, we're going to change it all because the cake's not ready. And this is my lovely assistant whose daughter it's her birthday. Can I say your name?
Oh, it's birthday of Mara. It's
Mara's birthday! Yoo-hoo!
She became 4.
She's going to be 4? When?
On Monday, on Tuesday.
On Tuesday, she's going to be 4. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to make the chocolate cake in the blender. So you need a half a cup of sugar or sweetener. You can use coconut sugar, anything you want. A cup of milk, a half a cup of vegetable oil, 2 eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla, 2 cups of flour, 3/4 cup cacao, 2 tablespoons baking powder, baking soda, salt, and a hot cup of coffee. That was for me, not for the cake. I'm kidding, we throw that in. Okay, so then once you have it all in the blender, you put it in a nice form, which I did, and it's now in this beautiful oven here, and it's cooking away, okay? So once that is done, we're going to put the frosting on it, and we're going to put all these lovely things for kids. But since we don't have the cake ready, what are we going to do? We're going to improvise.
And we have a great ice cream, no?
Yes, I made an amazing vanilla ice cream that you can find on my Instagram as well. It's made with heavy cream, vanilla, and condensed milk. It's super easy to make. I made it this morning. It's ready to go. So we're gonna make one. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Let me find it. Okay, here we go. Da-da-da, da-da-da-da. I made it this morning and it's already ready. Yoo! Okay, so let me find something to take it out with. What are we gonna use? Maybe this thing. Let's try this one. Let's see if it works. I already cut it a little bit. Yes, yes. Am I? Woo! Look at that. Okay, let's see if we can get it out straight. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. It's gonna be pretty mushy. Let's try another one. Let's try the end piece. The end piece might be easier. Okay. And we made the chocolate frosting. Hey, look at that. Wow. Hi, kids, they just love ice cream. Okay, so now what are we going to do?
Not only kids, no?
Big people too. Okay, so I made this frosting. This one is made with butter, sugar, icing sugar, and a little bit of milk, okay? So we're going to put a little bit on top here. Oh, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Butter, no?
Oh boy, yes, a little bit of butter. And once this cools, it's going to be so lovely. Huh? What a great idea, huh? This is how inventions come about. We just make the most amazing inventions this way. Okay, now we have our fashion designer here, who is going to decorate this beautiful piece of cake for Ms. Mara. Okay, there we go. Ready?
Yeah.
Go crazy. Decorate.
Okay.
Da-da-da. So what do we got here? We got some Skittles. We have some gummy bears. We have some other Skittles. And we have some cookies. Don't forget the cookie. Oh, I gotta put a cookie in there. Oh, look at that. Look how pretty. Oh, yes. Et voila. Oh my gosh. Are you ready? Oh, this looks so good. Where is Mara? Is she gonna try it or are we gonna try it? I think we should try it. We should try it first. Make sure it's good. Yeah. She's not allowed to try it yet. No, we gotta try this. So now you know. So what do you think? What do you think, guys? This is going to go in the fridge. It's going to be nice and cold. So when you actually get it, it's going to be even colder. Whoa, what a great idea. Okay, well, thank you for joining us. It was a wonderful show. We had a great show. Oh, but here he goes again. Ah, there goes a cookie. Join us when you like. Thank you for subscribing and thank you for joining us. Pink Palace Panama at your service, and you can always send us a quick what's up and let us know what you'd like us to make for you next week. Have a groovy Sunday.
Yeah.
Take care. Bye. Cheers.